Cool Trains in Montreal, and I'm here at the West Island Model Railroad Club. Going to give you a kind of a tour of the entire layout. So here we have a lower level. A nice town here with some really cool bridges. Very good scenery, very amazing buildings. All these buildings are weathered. This used to be a mostly it was modular, but now it's fixed in place. And it's got, as you can see, an upper deck and a lower deck, and a peninsula, which has that that piece that goes up and down there, so that people can pass. And it goes all the way over there. I'm trying to see what trains are coming. Look at that water, really nice with the choppy logs in there and everything. Is there a train coming? Oh, there it is. So you have the CN steam locomotive, and it's whizzing around the bottom part now. And I'll show you the train as it goes around the curve. With some CN smooth side passenger cars from the 50s and 60s in the CN black and gray with a Bud dome car at the back. Does it stop there automatically?
No, I stopped it because I wasn't sure which way the switch was.
Okay, because it's I see it go like it's, and then it goes dead like that. I thought maybe there was like a circuit breaker in there or something.
No.
And there's the helix, 6 levels. It goes up to the upper level. Oh, something happened. You have a coupler that maybe scrapes at the bottom?
Yeah.
So it's catching on something all the time?
You see how many times people put money in there and
Oh.
you're not going to eat.
No, that's for sure. Eh?
Pull the tender away. The connector is...
Oh, is it a connector issue?
well, it was such a sudden stop that the...
Oh, it did. It messed it up.
Yeah, everybody clean, clang, and out.